Yes, I'm asking something. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Homework was to reach page.
Yes, continue.
Yes. Yes, sir. Homework was to read page number 40, 41 and 42.
Then only that much. Related to that, one more was there. Connecting to that. What was
And
that
solving
homework?
worksheet.
Yeah, that is. So one by one, you will show me now. Okay? You have to show me now. Switch on the camera and you have to show me how much you have done. Okay, randomly. Yes. So I will call upon the names, so that students have to show me. Clear? Okay. Starting with Dharmanshi Charola. Dharmanshi, switch on the camera and show me your homework. Switch on the camera and show me your homework. Yes. Now onwards I will be checking every time. Yes, Dharmanshi, are you there? You have to reply, okay? When I ask a question, or if I ask you something or say you something, you have to reply. Clear? Dharmanshi Charola, are you there? Dharmanshi. Dharmanshi Charola is there. Dharmanshi Charola is there. Hello. Beta, I am asking you something. Wait a minute. Have you written in chat box? Let me see. Beta, if it is not possible to reply with mic, you have to reply in chat box. But make sure you reply. I don't want anyone to sit quiet. There are many options. There are two options, no? Two options are there for you to reply. Either you can switch on the mic and reply, or if mic is not working or network issue, so you can write down in the chat box, no, at least. Yes, Dharmanshi, reply. Dharmanshi, reply. Dharmanshi, can you hear me? Dharmanshi. Dharmanshi. Are you going to reply or you don't want to reply? Dharmanshi, I am asking you something. And those students, those who will not reply like this, I will write their names, okay, separately. Clear? Monitor has to write down the name, those who don't reply to me. Clear? Monitor, are you there, monitor? Who is the monitor?
Sir, but you haven't paid the monitor.
In your class there is no monitor? I have. No.
No, sir.
No. Okay, then no problem. Today we can make it. So who will be the monitor? Bhumi. Bhumi will be the monitor. Clear? Bhumi Patel.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am not going to again repeat the protocols of a monitor. What you have to obey. Okay. You already know that. I hope so. Yes. So Bhumi, you have to write down if anybody is not replying, if I am calling the name and still not replying, if they are not replying in the chat box also, you have to write down the name. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. So next, who will show me in the camera? Jaimin Rajpara. Yes, Jaimin. Jaimin, show me your homework, whether you have tried in worksheet or not, the homework. Yes, Jaimin Rajpara. Jaimin, show me. Jamin Rajpara. Jamin Rajpara. I am going out. Beta, your class is going on, no? Then what going out? You are going out. Means, you are going out means you don't want to attend class. Jamin, beta, what are you saying? You are going out, so you don't want to attend class? Reply, okay, reply. Means you are at your cousin's house. So kya hua beta? If you are in cousin's house means you will not reply, anything like that, or you will not show the homework, or you don't have the book. Being at cousin's house, you don't have the book. That is what you are saying? Yes or no? Means you are at cousin's house, so you don't have book. Is that you are saying? I booked. My book is at home. Okay. So no problem. Okay, now next who will show me? Arpita Pfeffer. Arpita, now next tomorrow onwards, monitor will write down the names of students, those who are not doing the homework. Those names also should be written. Today is the first day, so I am not making to write down the names. But tomorrow onwards, I want the monitor will have one more duty. Those who are not showing the homework, that name also will be written by the monitor. Clear? Clear? Who is the monitor? Bhumi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, next. Yes, Arpita, is it possible? Arpita, reply. Otherwise, monitor will write the name, then don't tell me. And no need to write, no need to reply me in private. Beta, nothing should be there in private, okay? If privately, if you want to ask or say something, you can call and ask me in the evening. But in the chat box, nothing should be private. Clear? If you want to ask regarding the chapter, you can ask. What is the need of sending message in private? No need to send in private, no need to text in private. Clear? There should be a transparency. Nothing is private. We all are students. You are all students. I am teacher. We all are communicating each other sincerely. So there is nothing private. Arpita, yes, Arpita. Are you going to show me the homework? This is compulsory. Every day I want this. I want you to show the homework by switching on the camera. Clear? Then only I will start the lecture. Otherwise I won't start. Then don't tell me, sir, our course is remaining, this is remaining, that. If you waste time like this, then it will surely remain. So it's better make it fast. Otherwise monitor will write the name. Yes. Hello. Arpita, are you going to show me, beta? Or you have any problem? Reply. Reply. Yes. Sir, I cannot on mic and camera. Okay. Okay, you cannot on the mic and camera. No problem. So you send me your homework through WhatsApp. Clear? Send me your homework through WhatsApp. I will check it later. No problem. If your network issue, no problem. You can send me through WhatsApp. Okay, beta? Arpita. After the class, on the spot, you have to send me. Okay. So next, who will show me? Switch on the camera and show me the homework. Next, Kavya Kasundra. Yes, Kavya Kasundra. Yes. You have to reply. Yes, Kavya. Kavya Kasundra, show me the homework. I can tell anyone, okay, randomly I will ask anybody to, because I was not checking homework, no, so from now onwards I will check your homework. I want you to show, otherwise you won't do, I know that. Okay, so from now onwards I will be little, yes, it's good that otherwise you won't do anything, I know that. So it's better. Yes, are you going to reply? Kavya? Reply anything, whatever problem you have. If you have problem in switching on mic or camera, then tell me. Then you have to send me through WhatsApp. Yes, make it fast. I don't have time to waste. I want to complete my course also, beta. Don't waste my time. See, 15 minutes are over. Make it fast. Kavya, are you going to reply?
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, if
Hello.
they are not replying,
Yes.
tell monitor to write their names.
I have already told. Okay, I think I already told to Bhumi. So yes, who is the monitor? Write down the name. Kavya is not replying in chat box also. Write down the name.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So next, who will now? Now who will reply? Next, who will show the homework? Yashika. Yashika Soni. Yes, Yashika. Show me the homework.
So actually I don't worksheet.
Huh?
I don't have
Yes.
worksheet because I'm not in Gujarat, no, that's why.
Okay. Okay, no problem. But you have to complete and show me. Okay. Actually, I forgot. You told me, no? Okay, no problem. But show me as soon as you reach. Okay, I want your homework. Now, next, who will show me? Sarfaraj. Sarfaraj, show me your homework.
Sir, I had not
Fast.
purchased worksheet.
Why, beta? It's already been informed to you, na? You have to get your
Because,
worksheets
sir.
from.
Sir, soon I will be out of the country. Because my father had job at Africa. So we have to go there.
What are you saying?
Sir, soon next time we will be out of the country at Africa because my father had job there. So we have to go there.
When you will go?
Sir, I think next month when my father comes from there.
Acha. So you will leave the school also?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Okay. No problem. But still, how many days you will be there, or how many days you have attended the class? That much work.
I'll
That
take
much
a
work should
xerox
be.
from my friend.
Yes. Take Xerox means
Okay, sir.
friend ने जो लिखा है वो नहीं भेजना है. You have to write down and just
Yes,
get
sir.
the answers from the friend, and then you have to complete. You have to purchase the worksheet and complete how much you will be there, how much days you will be there. That much days homework should be completed. Is it clear,
Okay.
Sarfaraj? Okay, good. So next, who will show me? No problem, let 15-20 minutes go for this homework checking because it is compulsory. Otherwise, what would happen? You will not do anything, I know. Apart from few students. Few students will do, I know that. Yes. Now who will show me? Who is left now? Very less number of students are there. Dhanraj, can you show me your homework? Dhanraj, reply. Dhanraj, can you show me your homework? Dhanraj. Dhanraj. Dhanraj, show me the homework. Are you replying in chat box or not replying in chat box also? Acha, Nishtha also don't have. Why, beta, you are not having worksheets? No, it was not only reading. I told you, beta, I give homework not only to read. Sirf read karke, there is nothing to earn. When will the work be completed? When you do it properly or completely. When will the work be completed? When you read, then when you read and complete the worksheet, then only your work will be considered as completed work. Only reading if you are doing, okay, reading is good only, you will learn. But not only that, what was the homework? I told you to complete the worksheet portion also, means by yourself. Just try. I told you to try and write down. Then later when I send PDF, then you can make the changes if you want. Means according to your answer, if it is not correct, you can make changes. That was the homework. Yes, so Dhanraj is also not replying. Okay, so monitor, write down the name. Now Bhumi, show me your homework. Bhumi, show me your homework.
So actually chapter 4 is in term 1 worksheet which I have to buy today from stationery, as I get the message today only from group, but I will purchase it soon and complete the worksheet.
Acha, so you have also not purchased. Okay, no problem. Okay, so anyways, today I am leaving. I am not taking it seriously, but from tomorrow onwards, I want everybody's worksheet to be completed till now. Is it clear? Tomorrow onwards, I will seriously note down the names. Seriously, I will not. Listen. Beta, bolne to do. What I am saying. Seriously, I will make to note down the names. I will make the monitor to note down the names, and these names I will note down separately, and I will show it to the principal. As you all know, the names में सिर्फ ऐसे नहीं लिखा रहा. I am making it seriously, and I am giving the names to principal. Few of the names already given to principal. Those who are talking in between, I am getting the names every day from the monitor. So I am showing it to principal, and she can give the punishment at any time. Okay, so that I also don't know, but I have given the names. Okay, so take it seriously. I am simply not saying, I'm not joking, it's clear, it's serious thing. Okay, so you have to, okay, so now take your books everyone. Take your books. Yes. So better now tell me what up till where we have done. Up till where we have done. Yes, beta. Fast. Now we have to start the lecture also.
So we have to start from page number 40.
Monitor has to write the name. Those who are not replying, I told, na? Whatever I am asking in the class in between explanation also, that also you have to consider. If no one is replying, you have to write the names directly. Clear? So monitor has a good duty in between the class. Okay, so it's better. Then only you all will be alert. Otherwise, So what's today's date? 22. Yes. Yes, beta. What you were saying, Neha? What did you say? Yes. What you have to do?
Yes, so we have to start from page number 40.
Page number 40. What is the topic? What is the topic going on? I mean.
So we were saying, we saw the lifestyle of Birsa Munda.
Yes, life story of Birsa Munda that we have seen in the last class. Okay, so can anyone give me a short notice, or can you tell me a short note on Birsa Munda, what you understood in the last class? Anyone? Yes, beta, of course.
So,
speak louder
Birsa Munda,
and slow.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. In 1895, Birsa Munda was found roaming in forests and villages of Chota Nagpur in Jharkhand. Wait. Switch on the camera. Okay, sir. Close the textbook and then say. Sit in front of camera. Okay, sir. Close the textbook and then you have to say. What you can say by your own words. No problem, beta.
I'm not saying that ditto जो मैंने समझाया था वैसे ही बोलना, ऐसा नहीं. What you have understood, that you can say by your own words, but switch on the camera, sit in front of the camera and then say. Then that would be better. Yes.
Sir, if I would switch on my camera, I thought that
Yeah.
my voice will not
Yeah.
come properly.
First, okay. Network issue. Can you try?
I have closed
Can
my
you?
book. Okay, sir.
Acha. Can you try? If you can try, then it's okay.
Yeah,
If
I'm
it, then
trying,
it,
sir,
then
I'm
also it's
trying.
okay. I can see you. Yes. Good, good. Now you can say. Yes. Speak.
Okay, sir.
You can
In
say by your own words.
1895, yes, sir, I'm saying. In 1895, a man named Birsa Munda was found roaming in forest of village named Chota Nagpur in Jharkhand. People say
Okay,
that
good.
he has miraculous powers. The people
Good.
believe that he would save us from the slavery of the coos. And at that time the coos were Britishers. And
Good, very good.
Birsa Munda also declared that the God has sent him to help the people.
Good.
Sorry.
Good. Then?
No, sir, that's all.
That's all. Okay. Good attempt, beta. Yes. Okay. So now you can switch off the camera, beta. Now, anybody else who wants to say, or shall we continue? No, one more student I want. One more student should say. Then we can continue. Clear? Yes. We have still lot of time. No problem. One more student can say yes. Who will say? Little more clear. Who can say? You have to switch on the camera and say. Okay. Of course.
Sir.
If possible, switch on the camera.
Okay, sir. So is the book visible?
Book. Book is visible. Yes, yes, yes. Continue.
Okay, sir. Birsa Munda was an Indian tribal freedom fighter. A movement began under the leadership of Birsa Munda. The British
yes,
officials were worried as the political aim of the Birsa movement was to drive out missionaries, moneylenders, Hindu landlords, and the government and set up a Munda Raj with Birsa at its head. In
Very good.
1895, Birsa Munda was arrested. He was released
What?
in 1897
What?
and he
What? What?
joined the police.
Beta, say it once. Beta, say it once again.
Yes, sir.
That point was not clear. That point was not clear.
Okay, sir. In
Say little slow.
1895,
थोड़ा रुक के बच्चे. कहाँ जाना है आपको? Slow.
Okay, sir. In 1895, Birsa Munda was arrested. He was released in 1897 and he told the villagers to get the support. He urged people to destroy Ravana, Dicos and the European and establish a kingdom under his leadership.
Good.
In 1900, Birsa died of Gloria and movement faded out.
Good. Over?
Sir, done, sir.
Done. Very good, Yashika. Good attempt. Okay? Yes. Very good. Very good. Okay. So now you can switch off. Okay, fine. So this way everyone will get a chance and everyone must use this chance because this will help you out to get confidence in you. Okay? So it's better. Now, next time when I ask, I want some other students. Nishtha and Yashika has already done. Now, tomorrow if I ask, I want 2 other students to speak. Clear? Okay, done. So now let's continue. So we have already seen the story of Birsa Munda and we understood that who was he? He was being considered as the god of who? God of who? God of traders. Yes or no? Sorry, tribals,
Yes, sir.
not traders. Tribals. Okay, we were seeing about tribals, no? So they were been considering him as demigod. Why? The reason is that because he used to save them from all the troubles and difficulties that the tribals used to face. That's why they considered him as a demigod. There can be a question asked as give reasons. Why was Birsa Munda considered as a demigod, or why was Birsa Munda considered as a god of tribals? Can be asked. So what you will write in this 2-mark question can be asked. So what you can write down? You can write down, yes, who will say what you will write down? He was considered as a god to the tribals because yes, say who will say?
So can I?
Yes, of course.
Yes, sir.
Of course,
Because he had miraculous powers and he can cure all the diseases and multiply grain.
Very good, exact answer. Okay, very good attempt, Neha. Okay, good. So this way, this can be, when you read the textbook, these questions you can expect and you can easily write down. But it is nothing hard. Okay, when you just go through the concepts or go through the story wise, or what do you say that? We say in English you have some story lines are given. So according to that story lines you have to make a story. Is it? The same way, this entire history you can relate it as a story. Now this chapter also you can relate it as a story. First we understood about what? We understood the title of the chapter. Yes or no? The title is clear to us. Who are tribals? Who are Dikus? Okay, that is already clear to us. And then the third part, last part of this title is the age, golden age, the vision of the golden age. Now who had this vision of golden age? That we will already see in this chapter. Okay, so title was clear. Then we have seen the story of Birsa Munda. That was also clear. Okay, now we are going to continue that. How did tribal groups live? How did they live in this condition? Let's discuss. So what is the first point? Some tribal groups earned their livelihood by hunting animals and gathering forest produce. Yes, I just drawn your attention in the last class. Yes or no? I drew your attention in the last class about one point. What was that? Do you remember? I just asked to draw your attention into one point. What was that? Does anyone remember? One point was there. I told you that we will recall this point. What was that point? Does anyone remember? अगर क्लास में ध्यान दिया होगा, if you have concentrated in the class, you would be knowing that. Yes? Does anyone know? Anybody knows or not? If you do not know, tell me don't know.
Don't know, sir.
Don't know. Anybody else? I think shifting cultivation. No, beta. Shifting cultivation is already been discussed. No, that's already been discussed. No, one point. When reading this point, I think I have already read. At that time, I told you that we would be focusing on this point. I mean to say that we would recall this point. This is what I told you. Does anyone remember? One last time I am asking. Yes?
Sir, how did tribal groups alive?
Beta, that is the topic name. No, not that. No, nobody knows, no? Okay, no problem. So again, yes, once again, let's recall last class. What did I say? I told you about that we would be recalling hunters and gatherers. Do you remember now? I said or not? Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Means last at the time when class was about to end, before that I told you that yes, we would be focusing or we would be just recalling about hunters and gatherers. Yes. Now who would tell me? Who would tell me that who are the hunter and gatherers? You have been learning this from class 6th. Let's recall. Who would say? Who knows? Who are hunters and gatherers?
Sir? Sir,
Very simple, huh? हाँ.
so hunter-gatherers are
हाँ.
people of tribal groups.
Hmm.
Are people of tribal group who hunt animals and gather forest produce.
Very good. Very good. Yes. Then anybody else who wants to say something different? Any different answer? Different answer means answer is correct only, but do you want to say it in another way? Anybody wants to say? Yes. Is there anyone who has to give a try? Yes. Yes. Who has to give one try? Yes. No. Nobody. No. Or
So
do you
can
agree
I?
with Yes. Yes. Of course. Of course. Of course. Of course.
Okay, sir.
Today is
Hunters
today
and
is your day.
gatherers.
हाँ.
Yes, sir. Hunters and gatherers is a human living in a society in which most or all food is obtained by collecting or gathering wild plants and or hunting wild animals.
Good. Very good. Again a good valid point. Okay, or valid answer. Okay. Good. Okay. Very good attempt. So today I just I wanted to involve you into this. Involve you means I am not saying to Yashika, but to everyone of you. Okay. So that's why I am making you to reply. So this is how you what we can say. This is what we call as involvement in the class. Yes or no? So you are involving in the class. I am asking you something. You are replying. So this is how when I feel comfortable. No, when I ask you something and you reply. But there are some students who don't even reply even a single word, not even in chat box. So that is the point where I get disappointed. Okay, so please do reply every time. If it has some genuine reason that you cannot reply, then you have to tell me personally, not in chat box, but you can call and tell me. No need to say it in chat box because nothing is private. Okay, let's continue. So these are hunter and gatherers. You already know that. Okay. So by hunting animals and gathering forest produce, some tribal groups earned their livelihood. How did they earn their living? They earned their living by hunting and gathering. Now, so forest essential for survival. Okay. The Khons were such community living in the forest of Orissa. Now there are a kind of a community of or a type of, like we can say, tribal people who are known as what? Who are known as? Can you read this? Is it readable? Who are known as?
Yes, sir.
Khons.
Khons.
Which are these kind of tribal people?
So Khons
What do
are
they do?
living in Orissa.
They are the kind of people that you can see in the map. I told you, no, in the previous class. I told you which is that page number. I don't have right now. I don't have the textbook. Yes.
41.
Sir, 41. 41.
So everyone look in that page number 41. I told you that these are the locations of various tribal people living in India. So there you can find. So in Orissa, look there. Is there anything Khons written? Khons is written over in Orissa. Can you see
Yes,
in that
sir.
map?
Yes,
Is
sir.
there any other tribal people other than Khons?
Yes,
other
sir.
name? Tell
Yes,
me.
sir.
Tell me.
Paraja, Bonda, Kantha, Koya, Saura.
Yes. Tell me the spelling once again. Say it once again, one by one.
Sir,
One is
Paraja,
ERHA.
Okay. Paraja. Then
Bonda.
Bonda.
Bonds we
BONDA.
have already written. Third is Bonda.
Bonda.
Bonda, yes sir.
Okay. Then
Khanda.
Kantha.
beta any one. What is this?
KAN.
KANA. KHA.
Yes. Sir, KAN.
K-A-N. Okay, fine.
Yes.
So K-A-N-D-A. Is it D-A?
Yes, sir. DHA.
Good.
No, sir. DHA.
Good.
Sir,
DHA.
it's
DHA.
DHA.
Okay, fine. Kanda. Only this much? Anything more?
No, sir. There.
No, sir. Koya.
So they are
KOYA.
Sir,
Or hai?
K-O.
Yes, sir. KOYA.
Yes.
Koya.
Koya. They all belong
sir.
to Orissa only, no?
Yes.
Yes,
Orissa
sir.
only? Haan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Orissa.
Haan. Yes, say the
Then
spelling.
Saura.
Koya.
K-O-Y-A. Yes.
Y-A. Then
Then Saura. Saura.
Saura. Spell it.
SAORA.
S-A-O-R-A.
O-R-A. Saura. Then
Then done, sir.
Done, sir.
done. So remember, okay, not only this much, but they all belong to they are the tribal people. Tribal community, or people, we can say community, okay? Because community is better to say community, not people, okay? So tribal community of Orissa, which are they? Paraja, Khons, Bonda, Kandha, Koya, Saura. Okay, you have to note down this, and believe me, note down all the tribal communities of each state. Okay, like in Orissa, now we have written. Then in Gujarat side, what are the names of tribal community? You have to note it separately in your notebook, means in your pair notebook when you write that important points. No, there itself you can note it down, because what happens, this can be asked in 1 mark questions also. So what are who are the tribal peoples in Orissa, or who are the tribal peoples in Karnataka, or who are the tribal people in Nepal side, not Nepal, in Myanmar side, and then who are the tribal people in southern India. Okay, so these kind of questions may really twist you. Okay, so think. So it's better you write down the names and you have to keep it in mind. Okay, so note down the names this way. You have to write it separately. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you have any doubt? What did I say? Did you understand, everyone?
No, sir.
Or should I repeat? Should I repeat this? What you have to do?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
Sir, repeat
okay,
what?
fine. Shall I repeat?
Yes, sir. Once.
Okay. Listen, everyone. What you have to do? These are the names of tribal communities of Orissa. Clear? So this you will note down. Yes or no? In notebook. The same way you have to note down. Same way you have to note down the tribal communities of, like, belonging to different, like in that map itself, you can look the map and write it down. Okay, but you have to write down, you have to mention the state, in which state they belong. Okay, just write down the name of the state and you have to write down the names of them. You have to, as a list you can write down. Clear, everyone? Now it is clear?
Yes,
Clear?
sir. Yes, sir. Now clear.
Yes, sir.
Now clear, sir.
So this you have to, okay, wait. Consider it as an activity. Now, before, okay, wait. Don't write in FNB. Consider it as an activity. Okay, activity 1. This is the first activity of this chapter. You have to write down all the names of, according to state wise, you have to list the names of tribal communities. Is it clear? This is activity 1. Okay, one activity
Yes, sir,
I have
clear.
given. Okay, where you have to do? In
Sir.
activity book. Clear?
Sir, sir, you will ask this tribal communities in exams, in term 1 exam, as MCQ.
Yes, can be. There might be a question. Even I don't know, because I have not prepared the question paper yet. But question might come. But you have to be prepared. Okay? Clear?
Okay.
Beta, Does any teacher tell you that this I will ask, okay, this you have to do? No one will say that.
No.
हाँ, क्वेश्चंस मत पूछो सर, ये आप पूछोगे ऐसा कभी पूछते हो कोई टीचर से? नो, दैट यू शुड नॉट आस्क टू एनी टीचर, ओके? कभी भी कोई टीचर से
पूछ सकते हो।
हाँ, yes, I can ask. That's why I told you to write down, na? Then what is the purpose of giving you this activity? Can be asked in MCQ, okay? So never ask teacher the question. According to you, you have to study everything. Whatever the teacher says, not only me, in whatever subject, you have to do everything. But teacher will guide you, yes, this you have to do or not, that teacher will guide you. But in your sense, you have to do everything, you have to go through everything. Then only you will be very much prepared of the entire content or the chapter. Clear? Clear beta? So this is activity 1. I am writing in the board, remember this. This is activity 1 of this chapter. Now activity 2, what is activity 2? One more activity for you from this chapter, that is you have to write down you have to find more details of Birsa Munda and you have to write down in your activity book. You have to paste the picture, with the pasting a picture you have to write down, and it should be neat and clean. As much as details you can write down.
Picture compulsory?
Yes, that is why this is an activity, no beta? So it's an activity means you have to do it accordingly, okay? So as much as details you can find out, you can research and find out. You don't have to write down from textbook, because in textbook there might be some limited thing only, but you have to get more details. For that you have to research. Now you already have more technologies to find out more details, so it's easy for you, okay? So get more details about Birsa Munda, okay, as much as you can, and you have to write down an entire, like as a short note we cannot say, but you have to write detailed information about Birsa Munda. Who was he? Where did he belong? Okay, all these things, A to Z, all details you have to write down. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is, so 2 activities I have given. So always, so you should remember this. Now don't say, sir, activity is not given, activity is not given. Don't say that. These are the 2 activities I have given for, actually this is the first activity of term 1. In term 1, this is your first activity, activity 1 and activity 2. Clear from this chapter? Okay. Now, shall I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, wait. But the time is up.
Sir, it's 49.
We have lecture till 50, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir,
it's
sir,
over
time is
now.
up.
Yes, sir. Now it's 10:50.
Okay, so no problem. We can continue tomorrow. But now, beta, see, listen. 15 to 20 minutes already we are losing for homework. Now every day I will check homework, and it is compulsory. Clear? And monitor has to send me every day names of whoever, whatever activity is done in the class, any wrong activity. Okay, means you know the the work, no? Whatever is the duty of monitor, you know. So monitor will send me every day, every week. Means whoever are becoming the monitor, to them. Okay. So please try to make it little. ऐसा ना हो कि आधा घंटा पूरा होमवर्क चेकिंग में चला जाए. Okay, so that is not proper timing. Okay, so as soon as I ask you, as soon as we start our lecture, on the spot, the students whom I say, you will switch on the camera and show me the homework. That's it. Clear? Don't waste the time. Is it clear, beta? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So I hope that you will obey me, or you will follow my instructions, and if you follow sincerely, I would really be happy. Okay. I hope that you won't make me disappointed.
Okay, sir.
Would you make me disappointed, or would you
No,
disappoint
sir.
me?
No, sir.
No, sir. We will not.
I hope that okay, So hope for the best. So that's all. Now what's the homework, beta? Homework, listen. Read this topic. How did tribal groups live? That topic you have to read properly and try to solve the worksheet. Second topic is some were hunters and gatherers. That also you have to read. Is it clear homework? 2 topics.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What is? One is once again I repeat, how did tribal groups live? That topic you have to read and complete the worksheet. Second topic is some were hunters and gatherers. That also you have to read. Clear? Homework is clear now? Tomorrow
Yes,
I will check. Okay. So that's all for today, beta. Now I am going for the attendance. Everyone please be attentive. Let me take your
Sir,
screenshot.
new monitor when will you make?
I will make on Monday. Every Monday monitor will change. Clear?
Okay.
Every Monday I will change the monitor.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. So it is done. Okay, but I have taken the attendance. See you all in the next lecture. Take care. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.
sir.
Complete your works. Complete your works sincerely.
Bye, sir.
See you all in the next lecture. Bye-bye. Okay.